Last year, VW's sober Tiguan sports utility took 1 in 7 of its total UK sales, so adding a 7-seat version plugs an obvious gap. Called the Tiguan Allspace, the car gets a longer wheelbase and stretched rear doors, and its own bumper, grille, bonnet, roof and C-pillar treatment. And yes, it's big inside, with excellent middle seat and head and legroom. The rearmost seats are child-friendly and will take a couple of sub-6-foot adults. Fold them down and boot space goes from super mini to substantial. Fold everything flat, which is simply achieved, and the Allspace offers a van-like 1775 litres of luggage deck. The cabin has a typical mix of sure-footed aesthetics and sombre materials. The ergonomics are spot on, and the car's interior would be an easy-to-live space for a growing family. There will be a mix of 1.4 and 2-litre petrol and Euro 6 compliant 2-litre diesels with 2- and 4-wheel drive. VW expects the high-output 1.4 petrols to be big sellers, with 150 PS TDIs taking the bulk of diesel sales. We drove a 6-speed manual all-space navigation 2-litre TDI 4Motion 150 PS, which is likely to be the biggest seller of all, and found it an instantly user-friendly car. This car is pleasantly mechanically refined. If you open it up, there's a bit of diesel thrum, but it's not intrusive. And other than some wind noise at speed, that's it. The electric power steering is light, but actually reasonably communicative, and the thing really does go where you point it. I would describe it as an engaging car to drive, but that's not really what it's about. It came with 4 traction settings, kit including 3-zone air conditioning, driver fatigue warning, distance monitoring, pedestrian recognition and city braking, up-to-the-mark connectivity and other toys commensurate with its £33,000 price. So this isn't a cheap car, and a 3-year 60,000-mile warranty is only average. But it's nice to drive, huge inside, well-equipped and well-made. VW thinks 55% of buyers will be privateers and expects 15% of total Tiguan sales to be made by the Allspace, something it shouldn't struggle to achieve.